The month of March has been enormous in terms of transaction growth for SHIB. We're going to dive into some of the details here in this video, guys, and we're going to answer the question, or at least try to get at the question, can SHIB break out of this price range that we've been kind of trading sideways in? We did see a little bit of positive price action here. We're up about 4%. One thing that is interesting to note, the volume is up 68%. So just in the last 24 hours, $366 million of volume coming into SHIB just in the last 24 hours. And maybe this is the start of us breaking out of this consolidation period, right? We've seen this for about a month now. We're just sideways action, right around that 10.6 level seems to be where we kind of sit. But right now, we're actually above that. We're into the 11 range, up slightly here in the last 24 hours. And we actually surged all the way up to about the 11.3, 11.4 level at some point late last night. We've dialed back a little bit, but I want to get into this particular article because this also kind of helps us make sense of what's going on right now. Shiba Inu records biggest transaction spike of the year here in 2023 as SHIB price breaks out. So this is coming in from the sentiment portal, great data source here. SHIB's network activity set a record high since the beginning of the year. It reportedly experienced its highest daily surge of active addresses in 2023 at the end of March. This is coupled with SHIB being the most Googled cryptocurrency in all of the United States in this same month here in March. But Shiba Inu saw the largest spike in daily active SHIB addresses over the year with 35,788 unique SHIB addresses interacting on the network. This is unique addresses, new addresses. What does this tell us? More and more people are still coming into SHIB, even though we are in a bear market. We watched this play out last year too, in 2022. Slowly but surely, we're adding daily users. That is the key because we know what happens in a bull run, right? All of a sudden, it's plastered everywhere. Everyone wants to get into crypto. Everybody's FOMOing in, right? Fear of missing out. We're not there yet, but this is a good sign that we're heading in that right direction. 2023 has been very interesting in that regard, and I think it's obviously coupled with all the bank runs, a lot of people looking to crypto as a different asset class. But there were truly 51 of these 35,000 transactions, 51 that were relatively large, in between 100,000 and 1 million. Okay. And then we had one which was just slightly less than 10 million. So what does this tell us? Well, it tells us that the whales are somewhat active. A lot of this, though, is retail money. Little bits here and there, new people coming in, putting $100 in, $200 in, but we know that adds up over time. And it still shows us that the whales are here. The Ethereum whales still love SHIB. It is the top crypto for the Ethereum whales outside of stablecoins, of course. So let me know what you guys think about all this down below. We'll be tracking it, but to finally, put a stamp on this, is this the start of the price breakout? I would say this, we have some good signs right now. Transactions are picking up, price actions picking up, volume is picking up slowly but surely. We'll see if it continues on into next week. Of course, we'll be right here covering it for you. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next video.